Babylon, the wealthiest city in ancient history. It had gold, palaces, and splendor. But here is the strange part. Most people living in Babylon were poor. They worked hard, they got paid, but at the end of the month, their purses were empty. Just like millions of people today. One day, a poor chariot builder asked Arkad, the richest man in the city, "We work as hard as you. Why are our pockets empty while yours are overflowing with gold?" Arkad's answer was a simple, brutal truth that has been ignored for 6,000 years. And it starts with a single rule. Arkad asked them, "If you put 10 coins into your purse every morning, and take out only 9, what happens?" They replied, "It will become heavy and overflow." This is the first law: pay yourself first. Most people pay the landlord, the grocer, the shoemaker, they pay everyone else first. And they save only what is left, which is usually nothing. The rule of Babylon is different. For every 10 coins you earn, keep one for yourself. Before you pay your bills, before you buy food, that 1 coin is yours to keep, forever. But saving is just the start. A coin sitting in a pouch is dead. Arkad taught that every gold piece you save is a slave that works for you. It earns interest, and the children of that gold earn more interest. This is what we call compound interest today. Whether you are in ancient Babylon or modern New York, the logic is the same. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. But beware, the path to wealth is full of traps. In the story, the poor man gives his savings to a brickmaker to buy rare jewels from a distant land. But the brickmaker knew nothing about jewels. He was scammed with pieces of colored glass. The lesson: guard your treasures. Do not seek advice on finance from a brickmaker. If you want to invest, seek those who understand money. Greed and impatience are the enemies of wealth. Technology changes, currencies change, but the laws of money are like the laws of gravity. They never change. Start today. Save 1/10 of what you earn. Make it your slave, and watch your own Babylon rise. If you want to master the mindset of the wealthy, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.